Biogents Mosquito Trap for outdoor use in new design, the Biogents AERO Trap. The trap reduces mosquito bites by up to 87% and is especially effective against tiger mosquitoes. How does it work? The trap imitates human presence by releasing a skin scent attractant to attract and capture mosquitoes. The fan inside the trap disperses the Biogents attractant that imitates human skin scent and sucks the mosquitoes into a catch cage, which is easy to use. Our new MyBiogents app makes your life easier. Receive automatic notifications when the attractant needs to be replaced. How do I set up my trap? Place the trap sheltered from wind and sun in a humid shaded area close to plants, more than 5 meters away from the terrace and on the ground. Finally, a highly efficient solution that uses an insecticide-free attractant and is easy to use. Catch tiger mosquitoes with a scientifically proven method in patented design. Biogents, pioneers in sustainable mosquito control. Complete your mosquito control setup with the Biogents Reflect Tech Tiger Mosquito Trap to prevent reproduction.